Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard range dual E-motor, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice tailgate step. We got rear park sensing, backup camera, you got a bed camera as well with the nice tailgate step. We do get the nice little Lightning logo right there, an extended gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection. We do got a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well, which is pretty handy. And moving to the front, we do get that nice signature LED light bar with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can use to open it on the key fob. The button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get hooks and doodads, Pro Power on board, a little light that you can turn on or off, and you do get more storage underneath, which is pretty handy. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with the carpet interior, cup holders, USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volts, and of course you can lift up your seats for a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with that being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, frunk, lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 82 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and fuel. Well, there's no fuel. Truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible, tons of storage with outlets, cup holders, your center console with tons of storage, with coin slot, pro trailer assist. We got heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120 storage above, below, as well as above here as well. We have hazards, traction, and a 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, apps in general such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any apps you have downloaded will show up right there. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. We do have drive modes as well, which do include normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one-pedal drive, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG17729, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.